Nau mai koutou, ko Arlia tuku ingoa. My name is Arlia, and it's the first day of term 3.
In Morena, Winton School, ko Talia ahau. I'm Talia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raidyn, the 25th of July.
Okay, on to Rerenga Kōrero, or te Wiki. This week's phrase is Koya kia, meaning great or nailed it.
As in, Koya kare, you're great.
Kia ora, kare, you're not too bad yourself.
Koya kare, you really nailed it.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
For sure. Okay, we have 6 new students starting at Winton School today.
Raidyn Hawkins, Hunt and James Deuchrass all start out in room 2. The boys are 5 and James comes to us from Christchurch.
Room 4 and room 5 have brothers Jackson and Hunter Newell.
While in room 12 we have Amanda Miller starting, welcoming to Winton School koutou, kia ora.
Health and safety news. Scooters and bikes. Walk them within the school grounds, especially after school. Kia ora.
And gardens koutou, please walk around them.
Pals news. Check out the window on the library for who and where. Not sure who's up today.
Birthday news. One today at Winton School. Megan Bailey turns 7.
Rafano kikwe. Megan, have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.